Good morning, students. Welcome to the art class. Today we are going to make something very interesting, and that is also very different, which is jewelry from Sikkim, as it's a part of our Ek Bharat Shershth Bharat project. So for the jewelry, you will be needing obviously the golden paper. You'll be needing your scissor, your fevicol, glue stick, some studs for decoration, your pencil to make the first draft, and colored sheets, yellow, red, green, off-white. Ready then? Let's begin. To make the necklace, you must have seen your mother wearing a necklace which sticks close to the neck. To make that necklace, children, keep your sheet vertically like this. Alright, one second. Fine. Now, this side we are going to make a semicircle. You all know how to make a semicircle. Now, however big you want your necklace to show, that big a semicircle you make. Suppose I am making this semicircle from one end of the sheet to the other. Fine. Now, when you will wear this on your neck, around your neck, then there needs to be a space over here, another semicircle cut over here, so that it fits around your neck easily. Fine. So we will have a smaller semicircle like this over here. Alright. So the basic design is ready with you. Children, let me sketch out the necklace for you. It is going to be easier. See, our necklace is like this. A semicircular shaped necklace, and on this necklace is going to be some design with golden, and we'll be putting some studs and stick-ons. Alright, so this is our necklace. We'll attach a string so that you can wear it around your neck. We can attach some decorations on this side as well. I think you all must have understood what we are making now. Okay, so this base color of our necklace is going to be red, and these designs on top are going to be with golden color, and the red color is going to show little bit, not on the top that much, but yes, on the bottom, as you must have seen in the picture also, that the red color shows more at the bottom. Now what has to be done? We are going to stick our golden paper, styrofoam sheet, or whichever sheet you've taken, onto this semicircle in a way that little bit of red space is also left. Or students, there's another way of doing. One is, I told you that we can make a semicircle with the golden sheet and stick it on the red. Another easy way is, let me go by the drawing. See, this is the reason when I taught you the mask also, I made a drawing. So whenever we draw something, and that's why our art classes are so important. Whenever we draw something, we get a better idea how that thing can be done very easily. And that's why your any construction, houses are built, monuments are built, bridges are built, anything is done, always, or a car is designed, or an aeroplane is designed, there's always a sketch of it which is done first, so that people find the easy way out to make it. Now the easy way out, can you guess what it can be? Other than sticking that big yellow golden semicircle on this? Yes, we can just make these shapes, rectangular shapes, or if you do not want to make a proper rectangle, then we can go with this trapezoid shape. You know about this trapezoid shape. I had mentioned this when we were doing Mahakal mask with basic shapes. And in case you don't know, let me tell you, this shape is called a trapezoid, a trapezium. You study more about this when you go to senior classes. So we can make any one of these shapes, whichever you like, and we can stick it. Now let's begin our work. Let me first cut out my semicircle, which is the base of the necklace. So here, kids, I folded this so that the sides are equal. I've got this. Now, how to cut the other semicircle on top? Fold it and just give it a cut like this, so that it comes equal. I feel that we can increase this a little more. Done. And let's straighten this. So your shape looks like this. And once you open, we've got this. Now it's time to decorate it. Now children, first of all, let's make the trapezoid or the rectangle shape, whichever you want to, for sticking the decorations. Now what has to be done? We first need to see how big we want. We do not want to make such big shapes that they do not fit onto this. So I think this size should be good. A small size. You can keep your golden paper on this and see. Yes, this size is fitting right inside. We have space on the outside, so we can cut this out. What I'm doing first, since my sheet is so big, I will cut out a thin strip. And we will draw on the back side like I have done. Take out a thin strip. This much should do. Remember, we should not waste paper. And then we can just cut out these squares or rectangles or trapezoid. I think squares are easier, so you can go for squares of the same size, not too big. Children, see, square pieces are ready. And I can put these, but I feel that this shape, the trapezoid shape, looks better. So pick up all your squares, put them all together, and we'll make a trapezoid shape in a moment. Just see. Put all of these together like this. Okay. And now, one second, one is a little bigger, that's why. Trapezoid shape is, it is smaller on top and broad at the bottom. So what we can do, I'll show you on the white side. Let me draw one. So a diagonal line on both sides. You can also staple this very carefully, then it will be easy for you to cut. Hold all the pieces together and cut on these diagonal lines like this. And our trapezoid shape is ready. Now we are going to put this shape onto this neck piece like this. Try to leave less of red space and try to cover as much as possible. First place them. You can see their placement. Once you've placed and you feel that it looks okay, right, and we can stick them now. So I've begun sticking. Just remove the paper, put Fevicol or glue stick, whatever is easier for you. In case the corners are left, more. And similarly, we'll do the rest. Children, please try to keep these gaps equal. I told you before also. So in case you feel that this is going too far, then bring it a little closer. Okay? Like I've removed that, I was feeling it's going a little far. Just one last one is left. So, looks good, right? And now you can take your stick-ons. So here children, I've got some stick-ons with me. We can use any. So we can put one in the center. Like this. Children, like this, you can put more stick-ons to decorate your necklace further. But you must have seen in the picture that these Sikkimese people, when they wear this traditional necklace, it is made of more of gold. There's more of gold and less of jewels are actually showing on it. But to make it better, we can add more to it. So you can put a line like this over here or at the bottom. It's up to you. You want to add more decoration in this part, maybe with these only. So you can pick these up and like this maybe, or maybe like this you can have a flower shape, or you can put in a circle. Since I have these drop shape ones, I've used it like this. Children, now this is ready. We just have to put this design. So for this you can either use a green sheet. They usually have green jewels or these green stones hanging, or maybe we can do it with a golden sheet, whichever you want to use. So suppose you want to do it with a golden sheet, take golden paper, fold it, give it multiple folds, as many as you want. Now since I've folded it 4 times, so I will get 4 drop shapes out of this. Or if I make smaller, I can get more also. Wait, let me draw and tell you. So you draw a drop shape. You all know how to make a drop shape. Draw a drop shape. Same on this side. Draw drop shape. Cut them out. As big as you want, you can use. For me, I think this size looks good. So we can cut out. And these drop shapes are ready with us. And you can attach these like this. What has to be done? Put a bit of glue. Put a bit of glue, very little, and just stick. Similarly, we'll stick all. So necklace is all ready. If you want to do some extra work, then there's no limit to it. You can add more studs or crystals in the center of this or wherever. Now, how to wear this necklace. How will you wear it? You need to attach a thread. If you don't have thread, you can take wool or a string. For that, we'll punch 2 holes, 1 hole over here and 1 hole over here, very tiny holes. Turn your necklace over. One more idea, an easy one if you don't want to punch the hole. What you can do, take a tape, could be a double tape or a cello tape, and as long as you want the dori of the necklace to be, you take that much, cut it and tape it on both the corners. This is very easy. There will be no hassle also of punching and all. So suppose I want this size, I can cut off. Children, I've further cut this into 2 parts so that you can easily knot it and tie it according to the size that you want. It's always better that you take help of some elder and see how long you would want this dori to be so that it can fit in your neck. And our neck piece is ready to be worn at any occasion. See you next time. I will teach you another jewelry piece from Sikkim for your presentation.